creamy, spicy, loaded with jerk flavor. From the sear to the sauce, watch this jerk shrimp rasta pasta come alive. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Now let's talk flavor. We're using 1 tablespoon Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, half teaspoon dried jerk seasoning, super colossal shrimp, clean and deveined, a mixture of cheeses, parmesan and mozzarella for that creamy melt, assorted bell peppers, garlic, olive oil, penne pasta or any pasta of your choice for that creamy base. We need coconut milk and heavy cream. Alright guys, now that we have everything, let's jump right into it. Okay, now we're starting off with our pasta first. Alright, and this will take about 12 to 15 minutes, right? So we've added salt, a garlic clove in with the penne pasta or any pasta of your choice, giving that a good stir, cover and allow to boil. Alright, and in the meantime we'll be adding some flavor to our shrimp. Now these were already deveined and clean, shells removed, but the tails are on for that attractive plating. So we went in with both our dry and wet jerk seasoning, a little green seasoning there as well, with some olive oil, and we are massaging this real good because we need it to be flavorful, and they're on the thicker side. Colossal shrimp have thicker flesh, so we have to ensure that we season well. Alright, up next is our assorted bell peppers, and we're using the Rasta colors. Right, so yellow, green and red. Just removing the inner core and the seeds and prepping them for those julienne slices, right? But before we slice those, we're going to go ahead and grate our garlic clove. We're using about 3 here. Alright, you could also mince it as well, but grating it is a little faster for me, plus it will release those flavors even more. Now, fun fact, Rasta pasta originated in Jamaica in the 1980s and wasn't originally made with meat, but over time shrimp, chicken and even oxtail versions became widely popular, and we're making it our own today with jerk marinade and cheese. Alright, those pasta are about al dente, which means they're firm to the bite and ready to go. So we're straining off all that pasta water, right? And we will reserve about a 1/4 cup just in case we will need it for our sauce. Alright, and guess what guys, it's time to get our sizzling on. So in we go with our shrimp. Now these are super colossal shrimp, so they need just a bit more time to cook. Sear them over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, and you're looking for that perfect golden crust and opaque center. No, we're not overcrowding the pan, no. Alright, and don't walk away either because these cook mighty fast. Alright, and we're just turning them there so that we could get the perfect sear all around on these. Oh my goodness, this aroma, flavor heaven, I tell you. And look at that guys, look at that beauty, so nicely seared. Alright, and by the time you know it, it's time to get them out, because no overcooking of shrimp around here, no rubber shrimp, never that. Up next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of garlic herb butter to our same skillet, not rinsing it out any at all. It have those bits of jerk flavor from that seared shrimp. Alright, so we're adding flavor to our bell pepper, and we're going in with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I will link this down below as well so you could make your purchase if you don't have any. It is so nice and flavorful, not too salty but bold on flavor. Okay, alright, and just like that, we're giving it a good stir. We're not overcooking these as well because they'll also be heated in the sauce. Alright, so give it a good flip, and by the time you know it, it's time to add our creamy base. Alright guys, so in we'll go with our coconut milk, Those peppers, oh my goodness, the aroma, I tell you, in this kitchen is something to talk about. All right, so after we've added the coconut milk, just give that a little stir, followed up with our whipping cream. So it's half coconut milk and 3/4 whipping cream. Went in there with a little jerk seasoning, some more spices, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, because layers of flavor is what we're about. So we need to get the taste just right for this sauce. We added a little black pepper there before we even add anything else, right? And there we went with the cheese. At this time the flame is off because we don't want our sauce to break. We need it to be nice, creamy and cheesy and smooth. Okay, all right, and look at that, the perfect color coming in. Oh my goodness, guys, you need to try this. Okay, all right, adding a little bit more mozzarella cheese there, and this one just add the perfect creaminess to our sauce. And now with our penne pasta, right, not adding too much pasta because we want even distribution of all the ingredients. We need them to be moist, nicely coated in our sauce. All right, I didn't end up needing that 1/4 cup of pasta water, but in some cases you may need it, so it's always nice to reserve it, because what it does is just to give you that beautiful cling of your sauce, right? So silky smooth without making your sauce too watery. All right, and just like that, guys, you know what time it is. It's time to serve up, and look at that. Oh my goodness, flavor galore, aroma on point. Oh my goodness, guys, now it's time to plate up. And when I tell you that this was delicious, it is something, I tell you. And guess what, if you're not a lover of shrimp, you could use different proteins. It could be salmon, it could be oxtails, it could be chicken, you name it. Look at that beauty. And of course we'll top off with some freshly grated parmesan cheese there as well. Now if this meal made your mouth water, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to Teika's Kitchen. Hit that bell so you never miss a flavor drop, guys. Let's keep cooking up the magic together. Alright, and don't just stop here. Tap that video on your screen to keep the flavor going. Whether you're new or you've been rocking with me from day one, head over to Teika's Kitchen, guys. Check out the playlist. There's a whole lineup of more watering recipes waiting for you. Drop a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you'll be cooking next. I appreciate you always, and big up to my sister AJ's Kitchen. I appreciate you. Thanks for always supporting, and big up yourself.